how to make $28,000 a month using these 5 passive income rules. Passive income is important because it makes it possible for me to make lots of money with minimal effort. Like other practices, passive income has the rules that need to be followed if an investor wants to succeed in their activities. I'm going to share with you 5 rules, and I use it to make $28K a month. All you have to do is watch and take notes. Before we get into the video, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notifications button so that you'll be notified every time we make an upload. What are the 5 passive income rules that I use to make passive income? Understanding the rules of passive income will make it possible for you to make more money through passive income. Number 1. Passive income is not completely passive. People do not understand passive income because it's not completely passive, and you'll need to put more effort into it to be successful. Passive income involves putting work up front, then earning from it in the days to come. See, you made an effort. You worked first, then enjoyed the results later. Passive income needs some form of management for it to be successful. How does this rule help me make money? First of all, I understand that I need work up front to develop the best service that will provide value to my clients. I then manage the services that I provide to ensure that they are all the same quality at all times. Sometimes I have to spend more money to improve the service that I am providing to the clients. Number 2, you do not need much money to start. Many people fear investing in passive income because they believe that they need a lot of money to start. While it may be true for some ventures, it's not true for all that passive income streams. Some passive income sources such as blogs, well, you may need to just put in work in designing the website. You may do the designing yourself without relying on people because some of the website service providers such as Google Blogger give you free designs and free hosting that you can use to make a blog and share with people. How has this rule helped me? I understood that YouTube is giving me a free platform to share my content. I then used my phone to create the initial videos, then uploaded them on YouTube. Now my videos are being watched by many people and I'm making a lot of money. Number 3, never depend on your passive income. This may sound controversial, but it's true. Just like the markets, the sources of passive income can provide less amounts of money. Just because your source of money is making more money today, it does not mean that it will do so forever. Learn to invest in other ventures and diversify your income streams so that you can avoid depending on one source of income to make money. The best way to invest the money you have earned from passive income streams is more stable assets. Remember that passive income is out of your control. I invest the money I get into stable assets such as land and houses to increase my income. Number 4, if your income is not above inflation, then you're making a loss. Understand the concept of the return on investment as it relates to the inflation rate. Otherwise, you may be losing money without realizing it. Let's take an example of a savings account where the return on investment is 1%, but the inflation rate is 2.2%. While you're making some passive income, your returns are lower because of inflation. Therefore, I assess the economy and make the investment only when the rate of inflation is low and when I'm likely to have a higher return on investment, which enables me to make more money after the investment. The return on investment has to be more than inflation to make sense and make the investment worthwhile. Number 5, more does not always mean better. People try to make as many sources of income as possible to make sure they make more money to increase their chances of being rich. Each source of income you create will need your time and skills. It's better to improve one source of income and make it perfect than to have 20 sources that are not well thought out and are not providing the best value to the clients. I know the value of providing the clients with best quality service, and that's why I came up with a YouTube channel and focused on developing the best content for my audience. I am therefore able to improve my viewership, and as a result, I've been able to increase the profit that I make. Now you understand the rules of passive income that you can use to increase the amount of money that you make. I'm sure you'd like to have such content in the future. So hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you get notified every time we make an upload.